You can create lettering quickly and easily with Embroidery Studio. Click the lettering button on the top toolbar to add lettering to existing designs or to create standalone monograms. After you have clicked on the lettering icon, type in the text you want to create into the text box. The lettering will also appear on the screen. Then select the font that you want to use. A preview box opens up and gives you height and density recommendations for the font. The actual number of fonts you have depends on the level of software you purchased. Additional fonts are available for purchase at embmarketplace.com. You can also select the font from the font list found at the top of the drop-down menu. The font list shows a preview of the letter. Click on Preview to see all the characters in the font. You can type in a specific height size directly on the toolbar, as well as spacing between the characters. You can also italicize the letters just by clicking on the Italics button. If you right-click, you can access the Advanced Spacing window. This window allows you to change the spacing for individual letters, as well as spacing between lines when using the rectangle multi-line frame. You can access the embroidery settings for letters, which govern how the letters will be filled, by right-clicking and then clicking on Embroidery Settings. For more information about the embroidery settings, see the Embroidery Settings section of this CD or consult your user's manual. Once you get your letters looking like you want them, click on the Stitch It icon to build the stitches into letters.